Hi guys, good evening, good evening. Welcome to Chris Vlog, and today's vlog is a simple celebration of Christmas Day. So, you know, Christmas usually Filipino, we celebrate even small Christmas, but important is we are complete family. But as of now, our Christmas is not complete because Marifel is in her father's side, so it's her aunties. So actually it's not usually happen, it's just they ask a permission meet. Also Marifel want to be with them also, so you know, both family is in good terms. Even we separate ways, her aunties and some are relatives of Marifel is you know, it's need to be both sides, you know, she can visit there. I'm her mom, so I'm with her all the time. So this is the day they request me for borrow Marifel for the Christmas. So that's it. So even if she want to be with her, it's not possible because it's little bit distance. So I hope you understand, guys. But I know we have a fun day also, and also Marifel have some of gifts there, so just need to wait a few days. Yes. So we have some gifts and some giveaways, and we also have a few foods, just like snacks, because we're just done eating dinner. So later it's just snacks. Now it's a good evening for Christmas, and I want to say that Merry Christmas to all of you guys. Yes. Sophia, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Christmas too.
Ouch.
Wait.
So this is our beautiful contestant. Yay.
Go there. Number one. Okay, so
Sophia.
yeah, gonna do. Number one, Sophia.
Sophia.
Ano ko dire?
So this is my outfit.
Alam ko ninyo. Dili. Dito lang sa mo kay mga contestant mga na dito. Mawak dire ikan. Ayong dire. Dire wala go the runway. Sige, number 2 na lang. Kasi
Samsam, si number 2.
so number 2 because
Number two.
no, Sophia doesn't want to do. Dire ha, o dire.
Ice cream yummy.
Pagawan din ha.
Right.
Dira, tuyok sa. Tuyok.
Kisay number 4. Natanggal, oh.
Okay, dance a little bit.
That's. Yeah.
Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy.
Vote number 2. Ano na yun? Okay.
Okay, vote
Vote number 2.
Vote number 2.
Yes.
Oh, number 3.
Rian.
Okay, so number 3.
Yes.
Okay, go. Dili, bana din ha. Dira ka tuyo. Usap mo. Dili, kaya na yun.
Number 4. Ang pala yung umay.
Yummy. Ice cream good. Yay! Vote number 3.
Yeah. Chika, Ninday.
So, number 4, sige nga na niya? Angel.
Angel.
Number 4 is Angel. Go. Kita kay kasako, no? Ice cream yummy.
Ice cream yummy. What the fine?
Ikaw masayaw.
Yes.
Say-
Yeah. Ice cream yummy.
Yay! Yay! Yes, sir!
Good evening. Let's say you
Di ka puyo ni isa eh.
me
Cisco.
too.
Pasaban. Katahol dahil.
Wala magani.
Go, 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 go! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Up!
So,
Yeah! Yeah!
sige. Number 8. Okay, sa'yo na.
Tomorrow mo mag-itupan.
Tarong agpasu.
Okay, so that's number 9. Go, that's number 9.
Thank you.
What number 9?
Okay. Contestant number 10.
Lesson number 10.
Sabay nila, no? Ikaw na rin masunod, Day.
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Oh, wala ko.
Tatay is the number 11. Yeah, dali na, pass na. Na. Dora.
Maika.
Okay, pasok.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Nalaki yung nilaki ba?
Wala mo buo ang karsones.
Okay, that's Maika.
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
So that's Yay.
Yay!
Inday.
Robert! Dali na! Sir, Robert! Matay! Sige!
Nagmula, hindi ka tayo kataw. Nagmula, kaundak.
Naglulugo!
Okay, that's Inday.
Ice cream yummy.
Yeah!
Yay! Ayan!
14. Yeah. Dance.
That's my dance.
Pilman! Pilman! One!
Ang galing ng sumay niya.
Yeah. It's mom's sisters. Oh. Dance. Sayate.
What number 50?
Ikaw na yan, ya. Ya, ikaw sunod ya. number 17. The last contestant.
Ice cream yummy. Dance. Sayaw ng sumayaw.
A caroling. So we're gonna do caroling to you guys. So if you want to give us from caroling something, you know, because you know every one of us are doing some effort for this live stream. So we really appreciate it. And we're gonna do some caroling. Jingle bells? Okay, jingle bells? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Always fun is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Always fun is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Ay, ginuo naman dito, Ray.
Merry Christmas, everyone! Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Hooray! Hooray!
Ray! Hooray! Ray! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hooray! Hip hip! Uy!
Shoulder!
Hoy, madam!
Knees!
Ay, sus, ginuo ko naman.
Head! Shoulder!
Hoy, nag-ilis. Uy, wala ko.
Head! Shoulder! Get!
Lalopigan man.
Yeah.
Tapi baka dili mo galing mo magkakit mao. Hindi ka mo
Yan. Magkontag baso. Plato. Lagi, lagi. Yes, Samantha. Sige.
Second place is Rian. And then third place na Sophia.
Sophia na lang.
Mga bata. So first place is Samantha.
Hi, congratulations, Sam.
And third place is Samantha.
Hi, congratulations, Sam.
Sophia.
Third.
Third Mongko. Okay, so Samantha.
Yay! Congratulations, Sam.
Yay!
Congrats, our queen.
5,000 pesos!
Yay! Congratulations, Samantha.
Rian! Yeah, the queen.
Nagsuot
I mean, the princess. And then the king. Ano ba?
Ah.
3,000 pesos. 300 dito. Okay. And then the third, Sophia.
Yay, Sophia. Tara.
Naman niyo.
Di ba?
Naman
Oo, ako si
Third.
Dunga. Dili lang.
Nah, nagsamplong.
Sophia is moody right now. Ed.
Ulayin ko to.
Guru Basil. Ed. Miss. Toes.
Toast.
Ed. Get. Ako ka ng gulitanan? O sige, gulitanan ka.
Ah.
Ed.
Yeah.
Malay hasla. Malay hasla.
Mabuwak na madugay ba?
Knees. Toes.
Hoy, doon ra kay kao.
Get. Shoulder. Knees. Toes. Knees. Toes. Head. Shoulder. Stand up. Head. Shoulder. Head. Shoulder. Head. Shoulder. Get.
Okay, baris mo rin yan. Samantha, dance mo.
Wow! Oh, Rodrigo from
Thank you so much.
Open, open, open.
Gabo.
Yay!
Saan ni Siri?
Wala, wala. Okay.
Boy lo ni.
Bakit yun na yung kapatid niya kay Armato? Okay.
Ini siya.
Brett!
Buang.
Brett!
What's that?
Brett! Brett!
Tubang ito eh.
Ini.
Ayun to, tubang.
Antipara lagi na.
Tubang.
Antipara ka mo Kapit antipara ka mo yun. Baka ay. Tay.
Para di na tumawala ang flashlight.
Agoy. Wala ulo.
Ulos kay kanya tay.
Ay, pangahol man niya kaya ako ito gantot.
Tay.
Palahulam di ka tay.
Awan na. Ako rin, isahin ko yung gantot niya.
Tay. Di na ko magulang bro.
Uy, mag-mag.
Ayaw na gyud pangulam ha kay gipalitan na kag spot. Oy, Brit. Agoy kaluoy. Ay, kaluoy. Ay.
Bought this dress for her for today. And then this one, open it.
Ano naman?
Wow.
Laktong. Kaya. Laktong. Ay, giwan.
Wow!
Ay, dagana.
You like it? What you say to mommy? Oh, I love you too. Wow, you like those?
That's for mama.
Ito na si mong bed. Ito dapat sa bed.
Mapagsog ka na, si mong bulsa.
Uy. Una ko sa kwarto.
Yay! Wow! Wow!
Nice bag. This is good. Nice good.
And by the way, guys, this dress that Samantha is wearing, Mom made it, and then she put something like this. So she's the winner of the best in outfit, and then the judges are the viewers. Open.
Open. Murag.
Wow. This one.
Ikaw lang tatay, be? Iya.
You get some
Ikaw
milk.
lang.
Ang Samsung yet.
You like it?
Samit.
Ah, hindi Sophia.
Okay, good. Very good.
Sophia.
Samantha! Ang tita na siya.
Wala, Sophia.
Pulot ko.
You like your shoes?
Sipulo na.
Sister. Wow! Ano ni? Kalendar? Ay. 2025 kalendar. Kalendar. Wow.
Yeah, pagwapa! Yeah! Asking yummy.
Na.
Asking
Oy, ano ba?
Ayaw ka.
Oy, ano pa na pa?
Ay, napa.
Isisir ko din sa iyo.
Wow! Pati!
Anong gagawin mo kanya ko yung pantirong na?
Why mga pante? Kaya pati, why mga pante?
you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.
Tara. Merry Christmas! Late gift. Late gift ka. She's on vacation for a few days. Late gift. Open.
Look. Hello. Wala na po panty. Wala po panty.
Pante.
Thank you. Oh.
Gift.
Ang pa yun. Wala. Tara.
Herp.
Tara.
Kita daw.
Ha?
Show.
Punip-punita.
So na.
Ala, ano po yung cake? Wala din sa flower.
Try daw nagpo na isa.
Ha?
Kana.
Kili-kili?
Hindot na siya. Handa. Talikod daw. Ngayon ka.
Kili-kili?
Ay, nanak ng isa. Oh,
Malawan ko, Brit.
socks. Yay.
This is socks.
Use for school.
Thank you, Mama.
Mm.
Look at me. I have this.